In this video, I'll show you how to change the font weight of product prices on collection pages in Shopify Dawn theme. And as an example, here's what the collection pages will look like with product prices displayed in bold. As you can notice, both the regular prices and the sale prices are bolded to make them stand out more. So to apply this change in your theme, log into your Shopify admin account and then select Online Store. Now locate Dawn theme, then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on Homepage and then select Collections. Then click on Default Collection. Then on the left under Template, click on Product Grid. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and look for the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the Custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selected for the product prices. Let's right-click on the regular price and then select Inspect. Okay, let's take a look. The class selector we'll be targeting is price-item _regular. It will change the font weight of the regular price, and to change the font weight of the sale price, the selector should be about the same. We also check for that one. It's gonna be price-item _sale. Okay, now let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rules. At first, type period, price-item _regular. Open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between them, press enter. On the next line, type font-weight, space, bold, followed by semicolon. As you can notice, the regular prices are now displayed in bold. Now we have to apply the same change, but to the sale prices. For that, simply copy the existing rule. Let's add some space underneath. I spaced it here. Now just change the last part. Instead of regular, type sale. And there it is. As you can see, the sale prices are now also displayed in bold. So once finished, just save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the collection page. And that's what the prices will look like. And this change will be reflected in other collection pages, like right over here. And lastly, if you have feature product section in your homepage, like I do over here, and you want to change the font weight of the prices, we can actually use the same CSS rule. For that, let's go back to the editor, and then once again, copy the current CSS rule. Then click on Default Collections, switch to Homepage. Now let me find Feature Collection right over here. Let's scroll all the way to the bottom. Let's paste the rule under the Custom CSS section. Now let's save the changes. Then let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the homepage. And as you can notice, the product prices are displayed in bold under the feature product section. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.